Alright, my YouTubers and other people. I'm just got 600 or 40. What am I trying to say? 67 volt, 420 amp hour M10, right around $600, $700. I mean, this is a steal. I love this. This is my second one, and I noticed it came with larger pedals that I had grown accustomed to, just a little bit wider, which is fine. But I'm used to the shorter ones, so I splurged and spent a mint on the ACM pedals, just because. You know, no real reason you need to, but they're actually quite a bit narrower on the edges. And so far I've had good luck with ACM, so that's what we're going to do today, is swap. It's a really simple thing, but today I'm going to shim them because there's a lot of, I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely hear it. A lot of play in these, and I've noticed all my unicycles do that, so I found somebody who used aluminum cans as a quick fix, and I'm going to make my own video of the same thing, so you can't give me credit. I did not figure this out, although it's not rocket science. 2 set screws. I think that's a 6. Just take them both out. There are spacers. Don't forget the 2 little spacers. By the way, I purchase my stuff from eWheels typically. I've had pretty good results from them. I'm an affiliate, so if you chase a link I'll put down at the bottom when you go buy a unicycle, I get a little bit of money for free shipping. But I don't care, just buy a unicycle. You don't have to chase my link. Buy one. So to fix that, I'm going to take my aluminum can. I'm going to start with a wide strip. That's pretty damn wide. Kick the edges off a little bit. Then I'll take it and roll it around the pen just to make it easier to put in there. I'll take this. Try not to cut ourselves. And slide it into there. You see. Take the pen. We need a shorter pen. Let's keep these separate. And see if we can't get it to go in there. Nope. And that means we need to take that out, and we need to cut it a little bit more narrow. And now, look at that. And it's tight. So I'm going to take that. Yeah, tight. You want a tight pin. And we're going to break it evenly, flush. You want to kind of work it in there so it conforms, because I've done this before, and when you put this through, it'll try to push the aluminum through. But now we take our smaller pedal. Make sure we got the spacers in it, and try not to push that aluminum through. Oh, we got lucky. Didn't really come through. Because I got a spacer in. And now, actually I will go get some. I think I will get some Loctite. These screws seem like they were a little loose in there, so. Actually, this is not Loctite. Loctite's a brand name. This is a thread locking compound, an anaerobic sealant, or anaerobic compound. It dries in the absence of air. I'm a little nervous about Loctite on Chinesium, because sometimes even medium strength, this is blue by the way, even though the bottle's red, sometimes medium strength Loctite is a little much for Chinesium. But we're going to do it because that just seemed loose, and I don't plan on taking these hangers off for a long time. So take our Loctite. come my music fucking stopped? Alright. I'd say that's probably about 20 foot-pounds, maybe 15 foot-pounds torque. And we're done. And look, you don't hear. I mean, yeah, there's going to be some play, but it's not a big deal. It's just less. And so, there we go. I'm not going to bore you with the other side because that really was pretty fucking simple. Just gave me an excuse to put it on film. Thanks for watching. Dollar for dollar, this $600 to $700 M10. I mean, if you're not a heavy guy, you really can't hardly beat it. That's, yeah. All right. Peace out. Have a good one.